Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad with Italian dressing using an easy method. Preparing a fresh, vibrant salad doesn't have to be complicated, and it's perfect for any meal. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you get a tasty result with minimal effort. This approach is ideal for busy weeknights or when you want a quick, healthy option. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic homemade salad in no time at all. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll want about 6 cups of your favorite mixed greens, like romaine or spring mix, washed and ready. Next, prepare 1 cup of chopped vegetables such as crisp cucumbers and ripe tomatoes for added texture and flavor. Don't forget a small amount, perhaps 1/4 cup, of thinly sliced red onion to give it a little zing. These fresh components are the foundation of a great salad. Now that your ingredients are prepped, it's time to combine them. Gently place all your washed greens, chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, and sliced red onion into a large mixing bowl. Make sure there's enough space to toss everything without making a mess. You can also add about 1/2 cup of crunchy croutons or some shredded carrots at this stage if you like. The goal is to have a colorful and appealing mix before dressing. Finally, it's time to add the star of the show, your Italian dressing. Start by drizzling about 1/4 cup of your favorite Italian dressing over the salad. You can always add more later if needed, but it's best to start with less. Gently toss the salad using tongs or clean hands until all the ingredients are lightly and evenly coated. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make Italian salad. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.